Hi everyone, in today's video I'll be showing you a simple step-by-step guide on how to thread a 2-lion industrial sewing machine. So if you're new to industrial machines or you just need a quick reminder, this video is for you. So let's get started. So the first step is to place the thread cone on the thread stand base, and next I'll pass it through the hole on the thread stand pole. So as you can see, I'm passing the thread through the back of the hole, just like this. And then I'll guide it through the thread guides on the machine. So this is the first thread guide. I'll pass it through the back. And I'll take it to the next thread guide. So I'll first pass it through the back of the first hole at the top. Then I'll pass it through the second hole. Just watch what I'm doing. So after that, I'll guide the thread through the tension assembly, and then I'll position it securely between the tension discs to ensure consistent thread tension while sewing. So just watch what I'm doing. So the next thing I'll be doing is to guide the thread through the hole in the take-up lever. This is the take-up lever of the machine, making sure it moves freely with the lever's motion, just like this. And then I'll pass my upper thread through the eye of the needle. Now moving forward to the bobbin setup. Here I have my bobbin case and empty bobbin. These components are used to reel the thread that will be used in the lower part of the sewing machine during stitching. So I'll place my empty bobbin into the bobbin winder spindle, and then I'll take my thread and then pass it through the bobbin winder tension discs. So I'll pass my thread through the hole from the back into the bobbin winder tension discs. This ensures consistent tension while reeling. So after that, I will hold the thread trail and wind it around the bobbin a few times by hand to secure it. So just watch what I'm doing. I'll push the bobbin winder stopper before reeling, and then I'll match the machine's foot pedal to start reeling the thread into the bobbin. Once the thread is fully reeled, I'll stop the machine and then cut the thread. So next, I'll insert the bobbin into the bobbin case. To do this, I'll ensure the thread is facing towards me as shown here. Then, I'll place the bobbin into the bobbin case carefully. So watch closely as I guide the thread through the small opening in the case. And then once it's through, I'll check that the thread moves smoothly and freely to ensure proper tension and flexibility. So the next thing I'll be doing is to insert the bobbin case into the shuttle hook, which is located in the lower part of the sewing machine. To do this, I'll carefully align the bobbin case with the shuttle and push it in until it clicks into place. Once that's done, I'll manually lower the needle using the hand wheel to catch the bobbin thread. As the needle comes back up, it will bring the bobbin thread to the surface through the needle plate, just as you can see here. After pulling both to the top, I'll lift the presser foot and guide both threads towards the back of the machine. This ensures threads are properly positioned and prevents them from getting tangled when sewing. So this is how to thread a 2-iron industrial sewing machine. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video really helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment and subscribe for more sewing tips and tutorials. See you in my next video.